It's so dark. Why is it so dark? Oh, it's too bright. It's like hard not to look at the screen over there. So this morning, my dad and my brother and I went to a camera store and dropped some dollars. Apparently this camera is supposed to be a birthday and graduation gift, but he didn't do any of those. Like, it's not his birthday and he didn't graduate, so I don't know where's my gift. I thought I would test out the camera and create like an unboxing video. Enjoy. Disclaimer. I don't know anything about cameras. My dad really likes cameras. I don't know if he knows anything about cameras, but he has a lot of stuff. Let's go unbox things. So can you like explain what's going on?
You're supposed to explain.
I don't know what you bought.
Here's the lens. Here's another lens.
So it's what is this? 24-115.
Yeah. Doesn't matter. The lens.
These are the two lenses, and then the body. R5.
No, not just R5.
Is this like the lip balm brand?
Yep.
What is this? Oh, extra battery. Ah!
You're serious? These are just the protective films for the lens.
And we got this for free. Because we threw a lot of money on him. Alright, can you like explain what's going on?
Dude, you're supposed to be talking over it.
Why?
Because it's not my video.
So this is the camera body. Comes with the instruction manual, the battery charger, a battery. This is like the protective things when you want to put your things in the hole. Strap and the body. Let's open the body. Yo, she pretty. She pretty. Dang, okay, no stains. So this is there's no film, lens, mirror in there. Kind of nice.
This is pathetic.
Shut up. You gotta tell them what that is.
I don't know what that is. I can't tell you what it is. I'm not a financial advisor.
What?
I just like the stock.
What?
This is a bag. This is a lens.
This is the worst video. Can you tell them which lens it is?
It's a lens. It's a 50 millimeter.
Okay, put it on. So small. So small.
There's no zoom because it's a set distance, so it's perfect for traveling. Yo mama. It might come with charged.
Why would it come charged? What is this?
Your mama.
Millimeters. Just in case you drop it.
Again, this is a bag. I don't know what this is, but it's a lens. Does a nice zoom.
It's a gooey duck.
It's like a Mario. Yep. It's for longer shots.
So this is another lens that my dad has, and it just goes on top like this. So this little thing is the film, and you think you just screw it on. Okay, so we're gonna do that.
You can wear.
It's just protection.
Go on in there.
So bad. What's going on? Nice. You can see, or maybe you can't, which is probably a good thing. So now instead of cleaning the lens directly, you can just clean the filter and then replace the filter when it gets dirty or like cracks or whatever. So we're gonna put the filter on. Nice. So this can go
On
first. Open this.
Scuffed review.
This is not a review. Is it a review?
It's opening.
Like this?
Oh, you put it. It's a protector thing.
Like this?
Oh, do you see the holes? You see how it's supposed
Let
to
me
go
hold
like
it.
this?
Let me hold it. How do you use this?
You don't need to. It's just a plug.
Okay. It's cool.
You use these. HDMI. You can use the USB-C.
How do you close this?
Push.
Oh. Nice. You want to put something on? Oh, there's no card. How do you do this? Bro, you suck. Just punch a hole with your... Ow!
Nice.
Could have...
Free. 이렇게 들어가나?
Nope.
Never mind. Just extra battery.
That was off. You're gonna record? Can you record something?
You can like feel it.
Yo! So you can use the screen or
The viewfinder.
the viewfinder resolution is also like pretty good. This is like really, I don't know how to do this. But because it's mirrorless, that's why you can like,
What you see is what you get.
yeah, sometimes. Okay, let's. So I will start recording. This one has zoom features, so I can zoom in. This is what I recorded my video with. This is my brother's room. It's my brother. He's looking at Wall Street bets because he's one of those. And then I can see me on the other side. Click. And then I'll change the lens. So this is recording. There's no zoom on this, so you have to do it manually. It's pretty stable. So I'm like at this distance and it's like really close. Oh, my arm's gonna break. Okay. So this is put a shot here. I think this is about the same distance. Oh, I can see. Oh, how do I do? Oh, there we go. It's pretty nice. I hope that was the smallest bit of informative clips and whatnot, and maybe you'll see more videos with this camera if my brother lets me use it.